Hello, ho, ho, everyone. It's Chris with Disney Dynamicks. Sorry. And today we've got something that's really cool. Let's take a look at what we're doing. It's heavy. So, oh boy. Educate Your Doors Christmas in July. That's what we are doing today. I've given up on decorating because Disney Rusketeers, I cannot compete with your beard lights, so I'm just going to go without it. But I have been being festive today. We just had chicken nuggets roasted by an open fire, and things are really festive around here. That's all coming up right now. Alright, let's get this thing open. So, because I live more West Coast, this took a little while to get here. Hang on. Not too bad this time. Okay. Look at that. Alright. This thing is really heavy. It's really packed full. Let me, we'll start with a little bit of confetti for you. A little for me, some for the shelves. Not a lot of confetti this time. There's too much stuff. Bummer. Alright, let me get this on the ground. Let's begin. First things first. We've got a super cute Mickey and Minnie. It's really heavy, like canvas. It's really nice. Yeah, it's like a... You could use it... I think we might use this as a carry-on. This... $24.99. That is a cool tote bag. Alright. Can I pass stuff to you? I have a feeling there's going to be a lot. Alright. I can already tell this is for me. I got the hiccups. I don't know what I'm doing. Help! Is this what you ladies go through every morning? Nice! I mean, to make breakfast. That's cute. It looks like a tree skirt. Got a little pocket. Very nice. And this, $34.99. Okay. Let's go with Jingle Bell Christmas lights. Are these lights? Oh yeah, now I'm festive. These were free. So this box, the Christmas in July box, I believe it was originally $200, and then Mike from Magic at Your Door put out a message saying that he found a bunch of more stuff, and if we wanted to upgrade, we could add another $100 to get more stuff. So I think pretty much everybody upgraded. Is it festive now? Or is the dingle dangle gonna... Oh, oh! Nice. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here. That, Good Tidings. And it's got Mickey on a sleigh and Minnie. And there's something hiding inside. Aww. It's a wishable. No price tag on them. I will put, we'll start with this one. Put a boop up on the turntable so you can check that out. That's going to be really good for tomato soup. And if you don't get it all the way clean, nobody knows. And I'll throw him up on the turntable. Boop. Alright. There's a lot of boxes in here. Let's go with this one. I can tell what it is. It says on there it's quantity 1. What do we got here? Art Series Ornament and Lithograph. Sketchbook. Limited edition 3700. So it is... There's an ornament in here. Probably just ruined the value of this by taking it all apart. I don't care. So this is a picture of the Lost Boys. And I will put a close-up picture in the photo box. Boop! And then there is the lithograph. And I'll put a better picture because it's super shiny, so I'm sure you can't see that, but boop! And I think, yep. So yeah, so the way the box is designed, it really clearly looks like I should have left it in the box. But we don't really roll that way anyway. We'll probably put that ornament on the tree because I don't know. I'm not all about saving stuff for value. I'd rather actually enjoy it. So there's that. I'll put a picture of the whole thing up. Boop. And $29.95. Alright. Next thing we got is, looks like an ornament. Aww. Simba. That's very cute. I don't like it. Man, I've never sweat so much opening Christmas presents, but it's like 90 something degrees here, and when we film this we have to turn off the central air and it gets hot real quick. That's not true. One year I couldn't find the TV remote after I wrapped all the presents, and I was sweating hoping it was in one of the presents and not in the garbage. Which, never found it. Boop. I forgot what I was doing. Alright. I like boxes. Just kidding. Got a box in a box. Let's try that again. Oh yeah! Santa! Oh, Santa Mickey! That is super cute. I like it. I'll put a better picture in the photo box. Boop. Yep, that's gonna be a year-round display. I don't adhere to the rules. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh, this one's got a picture of it on there. Turn it sideways. I know what it is already. Look at that guy. Disney Department 56. Aww. I like that. Very cool. I'll put a good picture in the photo box. Hopefully I can make the snow fly while I record it. Boop. Did it work? Is there snow? Tell me yes, there's snow. Thanks. Alright. Oh, I thought it was the last thing, but it's heavy, so it can't be. Because because I think it's full. Ready? Look at that guy. Mickey, Santa Mickey Loungefly. I know the retail on these was super high. Yeah, 90 bucks. But he's all velvety and like even the little nameplate is super Christmassy. I like the gold zipper. Very nice. His beard needs a refluff. Get it together, man. They're recording. Alright. Good, we need more decorations back there for Christmas time. Alright, let's take a peek inside. I don't want to throw anything this time. Got Santa's. Oh, what is Santa called? No, I want to say Santa's sack. Santa's legendary pouch. We're gonna do that last. Let's see here. There's more in here than there was in the top of the box. We've got a Mickey shaped, I don't know, what do you call this? Like a coin pouch? And it looks like the peppermint things. What do you call those? I need to learn what things are called. The inside is just red. Ta-da! Very nice. This is $19.99. That'll make a cute display. Cute display. Words. That'll make a cute display for Christmas anyway. I will never get to use this. Okay. Oh, this is really heavy. It's very nice. That's a different kind of lid. How does it? Oh, figured it out. Inside, so the whole thing is ceramic. It is $24.99. Very cool. All right. Never see that again. I'm not mad. Here we go. Legendary pouch. Landed a little solid. I think in the ornament box I got the 12 Days of Christmas, last Christmas. I think I got the Mickey version of this, so now I have the matching mini. That's really cool. That box was amazing too. That was like 14 ornaments that were all really good. And we're gonna have a full Disney tree this year finally. Her bow is, well, let me show you. Boop. Super cool. This is free in the parks. So I will try, a few of these things don't have price tags on them, and that's just sometimes how it works. But I will do some research, and I will put the total right, boop. So I hope I'm right on this. We've been ordering so much stuff lately, but I think that the original box was $199.99, plus we added $99.99. Shipping was free, and you can see the total, and so, well, you see it before me, but generally it's way worth it. So, if you would like to get a Magic at Your Door box of your own, can't get this one anymore. This one's sold out in, like, hours. But they have one-time boxes and all their different levels, and you can check out all that stuff. We'll put a link down below, and if you use our link, there is a discount code that goes along with it, and that will save you 10 bucks off your first box. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. I know I did. I swear I must be glistening right now because it is like 10,000 degrees in here, it feels like. But thank you for watching. If you'd like to see our last video, it's right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great Christmas in July.